Welcome to the world of matrix accounting. We have made this tutorial effort to ensure you are fully familiar with the feature of matrix accounting. We now start with the company setup. Click on to create a new company. Now you should enter the name of the company you are creating, and its address. The city, state and country name is compulsory. Enter the country code, area code, and telephone number. In the relevant, you should select your currency name, number format, date format, your accounting year beginning date, and end date. Enter your matrix administrator name. Enter your matrix administrator password. You should select a database name for your company, and enter it here. Click the Browse button to select your backup folder, and enter your backup name. Your backup can be done automatically by the system. You should enter the frequency of the auto data backup, and the preferred time of the backup. You can save each and every backup file as a new file by clicking on Backup as a new file. Click here to select your company logo file. Company database created will contain data based on the type of template selected. Master and ledger accounts will be created with Tamil Nadu postal code. No ledger accounts or masters will be created if you click from scratch. Only the account structure will be created. Standard ledger accounts and masters will be created. Click on Submit button to start creating the new company database file. You can view the progress of the database file creation here. The new company you have created will appear here. You can create the same way any number companies, as explained before. The admin name you have created will appear here. Enter the password of the admin user. Click OK to accept the session date. You have successfully created the new company and also logged on into the new company. Click on Company Information. Click Edit to enter other information. Click on Legal and Branch Address. You can enter the legal name here, if it is different than the name you have entered in the company name field. You can enter the address of the registered office here. Default location name will appear automatically here. You can add new location name here. You will be able to classify the location as enter your location name address here. You can enter up to 4 types of tax number and tax name for each location you are creating. Click on the blue header to type in your tax. Click on Add to add the location you have created. Click Required if you want to use the online electronic authorization. Select Yes if you want to allow changes to the transactions after authorization. Otherwise select No. Select Required if you want to use Check Transactions Authorization. Otherwise select Not Required. Select Required if you want to log on into Matrix Accounting with the username and password. Otherwise select Not Required. You can do this only in single user version of Matrix Accounting. Select Required if you want the Matrix Accounting to calculate the exchange gain or loss. Otherwise select Not Required. You can allocate income or expenses to cost center and or department. You can activate this by selecting Yes, or deactivate by selecting No. You can offset all receipts and payments against invoice by selecting Yes, otherwise select No. Select Yes if you want balance to be calculated at every zoom level of the report. Otherwise select No. Select Yes if you want to automatically print a transaction immediately after entering and saving. Select No to show all ledger accounts name in cash and bank book. Select Yes to filter for the relevant ledger account. If you remove the tick mark, no inventory of Matrix currently supports only average cost method. If you select closing stock required for P&L, then the stock value will be transferred to P&L account automatically. If you set yes, then warning on minimum and maximum level will be activated. If you set yes, then all goods received notes can be generated from purchase orders only. If set no, then GRN can be raised without purchase order. If you set yes, then all delivery order can be generated from sales orders only. If set no, then DO can be raised without sales order. If you set yes, then purchase return or sales return only can be done from a sales or purchase invoice. Invoice from DO or GRN should be yes. If you want to maintain there is many type of entry screen available. You can select the one fits you as a default entry screen. Here you should set the relevant account so that this appear automatically when you open the cash book or bank book or purchases and sales books. Click on Save and Close. Now you have successfully completed the setting up of the new company.